Hi, I'm Adam, and this is how you reset your TP-Link HS105 or the TP-Link mini plugs. By the way, if you want to check out other TP-Link videos, I have a TP-Link buyer's guide video you can check out. So let's get going. Alright, so first off, you have to hold down the side button, and you're going to have to hold down this button for around 10 seconds. The light will begin blinking blue and amber, and you continue holding it down. And it'll start blinking quicker, and now you wait a bit more, and then you let go. At this point, it is rebooting itself and erasing the settings that it had previously. Also, just a reminder, I have a playlist video of other TP-Link videos you could check out. And at this point, you can see the light is now blinking. It is completely ready for you to use and reconnect it to your network and app. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to check out my other TP-Link videos. There'll be a playlist in the description down below and in this video, as you can see. Thank you all, and please consider subscribing if you want more tech and gaming related videos. See you guys all. Bye.